even if it seems minor at first. A cat's cough can cause throat irritation, discomfort, and pain if left untreated for too long. Whether it's a minor strain or an uncomfortable infection, when your cat's throat hurts, they rely on you for some soothing relief. Created by veterinarians and herbalists, Pet Wellbeing's Throat Gold offers a blend of herbs that can ease your cat's strained, uncomfortable throat. A constant cough isn't fun for our furry friends, and if they're stressed or exposed to irritants, it can be hard to fight off infections alone. The hand-selected herbs in Throat Gold naturally soothe a cat's throat discomfort, promote healthy breathing, and strengthen their natural defenses. Help your cat find comfort and relief when a cough just won't seem to leave them alone. Throat Gold by Pet Wellbeing.